Okay, hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to clip people's voices. So first you gotta download voicemeeter potato right here, and you'd also need VB cable. Once you install both of these, well, to download it you press the download buttons depending on your software. But after that, after installing both, you restart it. After you're done, um, here's what you can do. You can have A1 as your input or your monitor. Make sure it's on MME, and you can press these buttons to see what. So you need your cable output on one of these 5 inputs. After that, you can set it up to. You can use this. You can right click it and choose what output you can do. Right now I chose bus B1. So what that means is that I can press B1 and it'll take the stuff from there. Here, look. Recording test. Recording test. See, that's how it works. And now I'll show you the setup. It will automatically be installed. It's macro buttons. It takes a while. Okay, so let's say you'd be greedy with this. You shrink it down to 2 buttons, and you can set it to always visible, but you don't need to. Now I gotta tell you, it glitches out a little bit, and the buttons don't really work all the time. So use it on a game that doesn't have exclusive priority on full screen, like VR chat, unless you want to. I don't know. Anyway, so it's really simple. You right click what button you want, and you can name it. And here's what I really pay attention to. You'd pay attention to these. So let's say I set a binding for Alt M or Alt B to record. The way you can do it is with the record button. You see that API up there? It says recorder.record equals 1. So let's say holding down Alt B would execute this, which will make it record. Once you let go of it, you can put and it will stop recording. Okay. And now we have the play. So you can play the recording. Make sure your recording is on your main, which would be something like B3. B3. So you would set it as A1 and B3. A1's not really needed, but like that's the hardware out. And that should be it. But wait. Oh. And You don't need to put anything for button off. So, oh, forgot. Now, so I got B1. Now if I press Alt plus B or hold it down, so that I can record my voice, and it will play it back. So that I can record my voice. There we go. And that's basically it. But you need to do more stuff. Let me load in the game. Or, I don't know, something else. Here, I can use this. Here, I'm going to tune into a random station. See that? You set the cable output to B1. And so, it would record. Sorry if it's taking too long. You can also set the recording. So the cable output, you can listen through the device. Right, and that's basically it. You just have to set the sounder mixer options. You set what you want to the cable input. Say Microsoft Edge. I want to set it to cable input. And that will make it so when it transmits audio, it'll use cable output. Okay, thank you, Soft. This takes a long time. It's 7 minutes long. I'm sorry if I spent your time.